It's a 2017 BMW X3. This X3 is versatile and nimble enough for the urban jungle and capable enough for your next road trip. And it comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, power liftgate, driver memory seats, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seat, abundant cargo space for its size. BMW is adrenaline unleashed. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.